So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are stay good and stay positive. So this is my new channel, and I'm using this channel only for the zodiac sign reading. So you can check out like overall for every zodiac signs you can be check out for the career reading and as well as the love reading. Okay, so right now I'm going to start for the Aries sign, like for the fire element, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So let's check like what will be happen on your July month according to your career and according to your love life. Okay, so let's start the reading now. Okay, I'm just getting a lot of cards. Anyway, so let's check the bottom of the deck. We have the Five of Coins. Okay, something may get revealed for you guys soon. I don't know, I just feel like that only. So the first card we get, yes, Murshida, the High Priestess energy is there. And the next card we get the Chariot. And next card we get a Four of Coins. And then the next card we get a Three of Wands. And the bottom of the deck we get the card Five of Coins. So guys, when it comes to your love life, I think something can be get revealed. So for your love life, I can see that something will be get progress here, because you are holding for something from a so long time, and there was not any kind of clarity. There was be like an some kind of mind games, and as well as I can see some kind of distances also be there, like a long distance relationship and no contact situations over here. So like maybe you're praying for this person to come back in your life, because when I see this High Priestess, I can see clearly that something is happening in your life, and back of your life something is happening, and as well as you are gaining your power, you are gaining your yes, you are gaining your spiritual power, and you are very close to the divine, that you want to bring a success, harmony and peace in your love life, in overall your life. I can see that. So that is some kind of a positive changes can be happen in your life, guys, because I can see that some kind of movement, some kind of improvement will also be happen in both your love life and career, because I think in the past you have been in this energy been very stagnant, and you feel like you have been stuck towards your career, you have been stuck towards your goal, and you just feeling that some kind of problems will be happen on your love life too. So overall I can see some kind of improvement can happen in this July month with the Chariot, because again I can see some kind of waves here. So you are be in a very oscillating mind to choose what could be the right direction for you. So you are be like fumbling towards that, but now I can see in a July month you will be take some kind of actions, whatever the emotions what are the intuitions, whatever the thing which you are been feeling right now can lead you to the successful pathway. So it bring overall I can see that it brings some kind of success in your life, and of course you could be in stargate, you haven't strong intuition power, you haven't that strong potential as well. So you please focus on those intuition power, because I can see that those intuition power will lead you to the success, because the July month it will definitely bring some kind of success on your plate, and as well as something will be get revealed in your love life too, because in the past I can see a lot of blockages here with the Four of Coins and with the Five of Coins. I can see a lot of blockages here in your past. So you also be very secretive, you are not trying to be open up to anybody, because you feel that people will be play a mind game towards you. People will take the advantages towards you. So that's the reason you are be like very quiet, and you are focusing on your own personal life with the very higher vibes, with the higher self, okay, with the guidance of the higher self. So again, I can see the wave over here. So something will be get revealed. I can see a lot of emotions. You feel a lot of emotions. So overall, guys, I can see that you will be get some kind of clarity. There will be some kind of a forward movement in this July month. Whatever the things you are waiting for in your career or else in your love life, so something will be get revealed towards you. So overall, in the July month, I can see some kind of progress, some kind of clarifications. Your doubts will be get clarified, and some kind of forward movement will be there. So it is really a very beautiful reading. So yes, so overall I can see for the fire sign it is a very good time for you in this July month. And please focus on your intuitions, or else in your dreams, or else focus on your dreams, because some kind of insights you will be get through that, and that will be help you to lead you in a very successful pathway in this July month. So these are the messages I can see in your July month. I hope it can be resonate with you and it brings some kind of clarity towards you. If at all you like my channel, so please give the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. And if at all you like my reading, please give a thumbs up. Please give your valuable feedback on the comment section as well. And if it will resonate with you, please comment on the comment section. Okay, so see you guys in the next reading. Until that, love you all, take care, bye bye.